the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be unboxing this Vevor diesel heater to hopefully extend our stay on camping season or get into camping season a little earlier in the spring when it's still a little chilly at night. So we're going to do an unboxing of this Vevor diesel heater. This is not an affiliated link, but I'll leave a link down in the description below to this specific diesel heater. So let's get it unboxed and see what it looks like. So as you open the box, you'll get the covers for the output airflow. You'll get your handbook, and then the diesel heater will just slide up and out of the box. Take these rubber or plastic pieces off. Take these plastic pieces off. And then let's get this fabric off. So there's a box underneath here I did not see, and that's probably like other stuff for the airflow output. Alright. And there she is. They have two models of these. You can get the standard, which is this one, or the Bluetooth technology one. I just chose the standard. Didn't really feel the need because I know at Garden of the Gods we had 0 service, so I don't think the app would work. Might work, I'm not sure, but I just went with the standard. So I'll bring you guys closer to get a better look. Alright, the first thing I grabbed was these vents, and as you can see they're just the air output vent. And then the second thing was the manual of the diesel heater. And then this box was on the bottom, and I'm sure that's got to do with the muffler and all of that. But let's check this out. So as you can see, this is just the standard model. I didn't choose the Bluetooth, so it comes with this screen, and it looks like it's got a little on and off remote control. So in the tent you can probably control this, and then this would be where the hot air comes out. We'll spin it around. So on this specific one, it'll show you less than 20% add diesel, and it's your little fuel gauge. So it looks like it holds 5 liters. So not a bad little unit. And then this is your power supply. You'll have to hook it up to either a battery, a power pack, or I'm planning on buying a inverter. So if we do camp at a place that is that has electricity, we can just plug it in with the AC to DC converter. Alright, so I just went ahead and cut this open, but in this box we have, appears, all the hardware and accessories for the clampings, for the clamp. So that black piece would be your, this piece here will be your air intake to the heater. This piece here, once I get it out of the box, will be your exhaust for the heater. Okay, and then it looks like we got this black piece of plastic, and that would go on the front end of the heater, which I seen on the internet you could just buy dryer hose to make it longer. So that's what we plan on doing. We're just going to plan on putting that on there, because I did see a video. I'll have to go back and find out who did it, but he just used this black piece of plastic and then went to a 4-inch, because this is 3-inch, and he kept getting codes when he used the 3-inch, but when he did the 3-inch to a 4-inch, then the codes didn't, just went away. So he said to do that, so I'll have to find the video and link him down in the description also. And then you got your muffler or silencer for your exhaust. And then they have this black hose, which would be for your air intake to the heater. So that is the Vevor diesel heater. So let us know down below what you think, or if you have this, let us know how it worked out for you, if you have the Bluetooth version or the non-Bluetooth version, and let us know down below in the comments about what power supply should we do, a Jackery or a Bluey, or just let us know down below, because like I said, we don't have a power supply at the moment for this, and I'm going to plan on building a little base, which that'll be in another video. This video is just an unboxing of what you get with the unit straight out of the box. I'll make another video of when I put a base. I have like a 4x4 piece of steel I can cut to make this wider so it's not top heavy when the fuel's in it, and then it'll be easier. It'll be up off the ground a little bit for the exhaust, which I forgot to show you guys. The exhaust and air inlet is at the bottom, so you'll have to have the hose come out and up for the air intake, and then the exhaust you want it ground level or facing slightly downhill, that way the moisture in there can run out of the exhaust. But that will be for another video. So if you do have this heater, let us know down in the comments of what you think of it, or let us know down in the comments of what power supply should we go with, because I know they sell AC to DC converters. That way you can just, like I said, if you're at a campsite that has electricity, just plug it in. But let us know what is the best converter you can buy, a Jackery or a Blue Yeti or a Bluey, down in the comments below. Until next time, we will catch you on the next one.